Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Slovakia. The link and coupon will be in the description and open description, and copy coupon ROM tips and open wirefly.com and click on this and write Slovakia. Click on this and open page and choose data type unlimited or fixed data. I recommend unlimited. And choose a speed plan, light, plus or premium and select days. I am select 30 days and click on buy it now. Alright, this service number 1 for eSIM, and open this page and click on this discount code and write ROAM tips and click on apply. Yep, this is good. And click on Google Pay and buy a SIM, or write email, payment, billing address and click on Pay now. Open new page and buy a SIM and send your email address, secure code eSIM and installation activation.